Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can use multiple data type for a single variable that we called union type. So how we can do? Suppose we have a variable, I say employee ID. For example, so I say this employee ID would be of number type and it may be of a string type. Remember that I declare this, save this, and I pass the value in employee ID and I say it's 100 and I display this without any problem. Just I run it in watch mode and go to this, and here I just try to compile this JavaScript file and you see we have the output 100 without any problem. Now I want to give this value to the string type. I say E101 employee ID, no problem. If I compile it, that would give E101. So I can give any data type here, number or a string, whatever I want, I can give it. But the problem here is that suppose suppose this is in a small letter. Now I want to display it in uppercase. I say to uppercase. I save this and try to run. So it's a function, so I just use function and then I try to run. You see it's displaying in a upper letter. E is in capital letter. So it is displaying this in a capital letter, uppercase. But the problem is it is working here, but if I will use employee ID and I give here 200, you see the error is coming. Why? Because you can't apply the to uppercase for a number variable. So we have to keep in mind that when we are using a multiple data type for a variable called union type, then we have to check that whether this value is right now or current value is a string or number, and carefully we have to apply the functions those are applicable for number or a string. Suppose if we have a number and we do some minus operation or plus operation on this, but the value is available for a string type, then it may generate error. So that's why this union type we have to use very carefully. But in Typescript we have this, so we have to learn this how we can use. So I just give you the demo that in Typescript we have the union type of declaration of variable also. That's all in this video. If you learned something, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.